Yo, red dad, blue dad, I'm making that paper. Red dad, blue dad, I'm making that paper. Yo, red dad, blue dad, I'm making that.
Peace, peace, peace. It's your boy Red Dad, Blue Dad, and I'm back at it again, baby. I'm coming to bring that energy, that crypto energy, the crypto truth and facts, and half truth. It's up to you to decide what is true. Your boy Red Dad, Blue Dad, back at it. I'm going to teach that energy, that science, that crypto science, baby. Peace. You and so many other millions and billions of people don't even know it exists. They know it. They're watching the television every day, watching the news station that's owned by a few, telling lies. When there's a whole nother revolution going on financially. I'm a creator of the wealth war. So we're in a wealth war, but it's a war without guns. So it's a financial war. And it's a war that it doesn't matter if you already have money. If you don't hedge your money, then all the money that you work for, generation after generation, go away if you're not putting it into the correct assets that we're moving into. It's had happened plenty of times. There's other videos I can show to show the history of times where people had generational wealth because they changed the monetary. But think about it, it's like a war. If I go to a war, right, and I conquer your land, you had your own monetary system there before I came. But I came and conquered your land. You had your own money, but if I win the war, then what is your money worth? Nothing. So whose money is in power? My money. So that everything that your family worked hard for, just because you lost the war, now it's not worth anything. It's because of your value, your money's not worth anything. And that's the same thing that's going to happen to people, whether you're a millionaire, whether you have no money. But if you have no money, you have a chance for the little bit of money you do got to invest it into the right thing and have a chance to move up to the next place and continue to do so. So now I'm just going to explain a little bit more about what the fourth industrial revolution is. I'm going to give you a little bit more example. Just real quick. I know the attention span is 18. That's it, man. For the YouTube family, we're gonna do it for YouTube. Your boy Red Dad came, and I want to know from her point of view, how was her crypto 101 experience with your boy Red Dad, Blue Dad? So how was it?
It was very educational. I definitely didn't know like anything at all about crypto and like how it works and different. Then I need to have platforms, have research apps, all that stuff I didn't know. But now I know, and I'm more excited to keep learning.
So how you feel? I got a question for you. You are in the Generation Z. How do you feel about other Generation Zs like yourself? How do you feel they should know about the crypto awareness?
Oh, they should definitely know. I feel like nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody cares. They're caught up in like day-to-day stuff and not like thinking ahead about different investments with their money.
So what is, now that you heard this crypto breakthrough, what is your feelings and what is your thought? How serious do you think you need to be in cryptocurrency right now?
More serious than it was, that's for sure. Yeah, I was not serious at all, but definitely like top priority, like be checking every day, focusing more on it.
Wow.
Yeah, definitely.
That's beautiful. And you just heard it. Where we at today? Tell us about this place where we at today. Give us a little history where we at.
So we're at Anne Marie's in Margate, and then we also have another one in Pompano. It's like Italian-American, beer, wine. It's pretty cute layout. It looks cool in here to like look around. It's also really fun to like work here, surprisingly. I know that's like weird to say, but it's fun to work here. It's a good environment.
All right, nice. So it's Anne Marie Pizza, and I definitely support them. They support me, and that's how we do it. We with family, man. So we got family here. No matter how old, no matter how young you are, you got to be inclined with cryptocurrency. Got to have eyes to see. Got to have ears to listen, man. The crypto future is your future. It's everybody's future. So be in tune, baby. Be in tune. I'm your boy, Red Dad, Blue Dad. I bring you the crypto half-truths. It's up to you to decide what is true to you. Peace and love, love and peace. Peace.
Granddad, Blue Dad are leading the way. Cryptocurrency is the future. Let's support these disrupting industries. This is the way to go. Invest now. Buy the dip. That's what it takes. Take the red pill and go down the rabbit hole.
Yo, red dad, blue dad, I'm making that paper. Red dad, blue dad, I'm making that paper. Yo, red dad, blue dad, I'm making that. How about you? I'm trying to fight this wild bull, yeah, no, I won't lose. How about you? Stick to the script, yeah, bro, yeah, just like glue. The poor get poor every day, now, homie, now I won't lose. Poverty on my shit and people, that's something that I can't choose. It's red dad, blue dad, I'm making that paper. Yo, red dad, blue dad, I'm making that paper. Red dad, blue dad, I'm making that paper. Yo, red dad, blue dad, I'm making that. How about you? I'm trying to fight this wild bull, yeah, no, I won't lose. How about you? Stick to the script, yeah, bro, yeah, just like glue. The poor get poor every day, now, homie, now I won't lose. Poverty on my shit and people, that's something that I can't choose.